Hello kids, good morning to you all. How are you? I hope you all are staying healthy. I am your value education teacher Arpita Nimani. Let's start our online class of value education. Welcome to chapter number 9, page number 34 of your moral science textbook. Children, the name of the story is Courageous Washington. Washington is the name of a person, George Washington, and it is the story of his courage. The value it gives is courage. So children, let's start the story. This story is of little George Washington. This story teaches us to develop great qualities like speaking the truth and show courage. It is an incident from the life of George Washington. When George Washington was a small boy, he lived on a farm with his family. His father had an orchard of fine fruit trees. He used to live with his family in a small village, on a farm, and there they had a farm filled with fruits, fine fruit trees. He had planted a cherry tree and told everyone to be careful and not harm it while it was growing. His father told everyone to be more careful about that cherry tree. His father loved that cherry tree very much. Now one day what happened? One day on his birthday, means George Washington's birthday, little George was gifted a new hatchet. What is hatchet? See in the image it is shown. In the image shown below it is shown it is for cutting a wood. A tool which is used to cut wood. So he was gifted a hatchet by his parents. He was very excited and wanted to try it out. Now he wanted to try to cut something using that. So he started cutting and chopping anything that he saw. Because he was excited, he started to cut anything that he saw. In his excitement, he also chopped down the cherry tree without realizing what his father had told. Now what he did? He cut down that cherry tree also. And now he was scared. He was scared of his father. Soon enough, his father found the cherry tree, cut it down. He became very angry. He demanded to know who had done it, but no one knew anything about it. His father asked everyone that who has done that, but no one knew about it. Finally, he asked George Washington. George trembled with fear, but decided that he should not lie. He was worried, he was scared, but then he decided that he should not lie. He gathered his courage and said, "I did it with my hatchet." He confessed in front of his father that he did it. His father asked, "But why did you cut the tree when I had told you to be extra careful with it?" He replied, "I was playing with the hatchet and I did not think." Then he was sorry for what he did. He said, "I will always think before I act." Although George's father was sorry to lose his cherry tree, he was glad that George was brave enough to tell the truth and to take responsibility for his actions. Means his father became angry because he lost his cherry tree, but then also he was proud of his son because his son did not lie. He said, I am happy that you are telling the truth because truth is the quality of God. What he said? Truth is the quality of God. You must always practice it. George never forgot his father's words. With his qualities and love for truth, he went on to become the President of USA one day. Then that little boy never forgot his father's words, and when he grew up, what did he become? He became the President of USA, United States of America. Okay? Now children, what is the moral of the story? The moral is we must develop great qualities. We should always speak a truth. We should never lie. And we should show courage when we are right. Okay, children? Thank you.